Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share my first impressions of my brand new full frame camera setup. The Sony A7C Mark II and those two beautiful lenses from Sigma, the nifty 50 f1.4 low light beast, and this one is going to be my workhorse, that's for sure. The 24 to 70mm f2.8. This is going to be my main lens because on the APS-C system I used a lot of the, also from Sigma, the 18 to 50mm f2.8, and that is the same kind of range. So this is a big upgrade for me, and I have been shooting with APS-C system for 3-4 years now, and I want to talk about this transition to full frame from APS-C and share my early thoughts. So let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the gear. The A7C Mark II is very similar to the Sony A6700, which I have been using for more than 1 year. It retains the compact form factor, making it incredibly portable, but it's packed with Sony's latest tech. The A7C Mark II has a 33 megapixel full frame sensor, which produces really beautiful stills and video. It is actually the same sensor from A7 IV. It pretty much does the same thing as A7 IV, but just has all that latest Sony's tech. And then there's the Sigma glass. The 50mm f1.4, what can I say? It's a dream lens for portraits, street photography, gorgeous creamy bokeh and razor sharp focus. And it's absolutely amazing in low light. Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 is an absolute workhorse. Perfect for everything from landscapes to events. And what I was really surprised about this lens, it's f2.8, right? And it still does pretty good in low light. So what is like moving from APS-C to full frame? Honestly, it's like stepping into the whole new world. First thing what I noticed, it's image quality, obviously. Especially in photography, in pictures, like they come out so sharp, so crisp, so much detail. It has 33 megapixels, so it's more megapixels than the APS-C. Like for example, I got the A6700, and then you have the full frame glass, so it's kind of the combination of them that makes pictures stand out and takes it to the whole new level. But don't get me wrong, you can get really good pictures with APS-C also. A6700, I love that camera. It's so light and compact. The lenses are cheap compared to this, and yeah, as I said, it's very compact and light because these are pretty heavy. That's about more photography. Video is quite the same. I mean, you get the same quality in shooting video. Like when it's low light, you have to, with APS-C, you have to be more careful, mindful, choose your shots carefully, like shoot around the light, I mean like existing light. Full frame, well, full frame is beast. I mean, when you combine like A7C II with 50mm f1.4, I mean, you can shoot almost in any situation. Like when it's super dark, no problem, you're still gonna get pretty good footage. I mean, it's much easier, much more forgiving is to shoot on full frame. With APS-C you can do it also, no problem. Like I have a lot of video on my channel that I show that you can shoot really nice low light videos. Coming from APS-C to full frame, there are a few things that I really had to get used to it. Its weight and size. It's quite a big difference compared to APS-C. I really love my new setup. I mean, this setup already exceeded my expectations, but I still love my A6700, the one I'm shooting now, and I will be using it. I love that camera. It's superb camera. If you begin and if you look for a camera, definitely recommend this camera. Sony A6700 is definitely a very good camera. If you are recently switched to full frame or thinking about switching, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like. Have a great day, have a great holiday, and see you in the next one. Bye.